I just died and went to vegan pizza heaven, so bury me with this pizza. Oh my gosh, today we are in Philadelphia, PA, eating at the 20th Street Pizzeria. If you're a vegan foodie like myself and you want to do a walkthrough of the best vegan restaurants in the US, give that subscribe button a click, hit the bell notification, and let me know in the comment section what is your all-time favorite vegan pizza in the US. Let's go ahead and get to it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Natural Mama Method. I haven't uploaded a video in like 2 weeks because I've been traveling with my son. It was the first time we were actually on a plane together by ourselves without my husband, so it's been a whirlwind, but as soon as we got back, I was like, I want pizza. So we are here in Philadelphia, and I'm going to be showing you guys the pizzeria on 20th Street. Thanks so much for staying tuned to my channel. Thank you so much to the 100 people who have helped me grow my channel to where we are right now. And I'm just really looking forward to growing with you guys moving forward, so stay tuned for this video right now where I'm showing you the vegan pizzeria on 20th Street in Philadelphia.
So here we are in Philadelphia at 20th Street Pizzeria. Yes, easy access to public transportation and on-street parking. It's a really easy place to spot with a sign that says 20th Street Pizza. The streets aren't too busy for a Saturday, so if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and go inside and check it out. So right as you walk in, there's the By the Slice Pizza and Garlic Knots. This place has some unique pies. This place is somewhat new, so this is the only menu for right now. The average price for a whole pie about 25 bucks, $4 for a slice. The drink fridge, I will say, is pretty well stocked with some great options for vegans as far as having organic cane sugar, which most vegans appreciate. The staff, I have to say, was absolutely amazing, which is rare for Philly. Sorry if you live there, but it is. There was only one chef, which made the wait a little bit longer than I would typically like, but there was such strong attention to detail and craftsmanship. I know some of y'all are thinking like, calm down, Kendra, it's just pizza. But I'm a foodie, y'all. It is what it is. The eating area is a bit cramped, but it is cozy. The sister pizzeria, Blackbird, is pretty similar, and I really hope that in time they'll add some art and decor. Welcome to 2019 all-gender bathrooms. Thank you very much for that. Of course, trash and recycling. Would love to see some compost options maybe in the future. So now, for the moment you've been waiting for, let's get a look at this pizza. So there's red pepper flakes and garlic. Would love to see some Parmesan like Piatti and Breckenridge, Colorado, but that's fine. I love how big this pizza is. And like I said, you can see the craftsmanship. Pizza is an art, y'all. So this is the Hand of Shroom pizza. The cheese, I will say, was amazing. Such great texture and consistency. Not all stringy and unmelted. I know y'all remember vegan cheese from like 7 years ago. It was so slimy. If you're thinking, I've already had Blackbird, it wasn't that great, why would I go here? To me, they are night and day, but totally delicious. Both great, but totally different pizzas, and it's worth the trip if you are in the area. Stop and get some of this pizza. But would you actually like some pizza with that garlic? I'm going to finish this video with my final thoughts on the pie. If you guys would like to see walkthrough/reviews of the best vegan restaurants in the US, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you support this moody vegan foodie with a subscribe on the way out.
So here are my final thoughts on the pizzeria on 20th Street. I loved the pizza. The pizza was so delicious, and the problem that I have with some of the other pizza places that are vegan around Philadelphia is that there's like a very wide ratio of crust to pizza, you know, and I really love to have like a really full pizza and not like a super thick crust like that big. So I was really pleasantly surprised that, you know, it was only like maybe like 5% crust and then the rest of it was pizza. So that was really nice. Aside from that, the cheese, oh my gosh, guys, the cheese was so good. Like, I've had so many different vegan cheeses at so many different vegan restaurants, anywhere from Chicago to the Bay Area and everywhere in between, and I honestly have to say that this was one of the best vegan cheeses. The best part being that it was actually nut free, so that my infant could have a little bit of it as well. The pizza was really tasty. I personally recommend, if you're gonna go there, don't just get a pre-made slice that they have unless you just need a quick bite to eat. If you can stay a while and hang out and actually get a this is parent life. If you can stay and hang out for a little bit and just get a full pizza, freshly made, it's totally going to be worth the money and your time. I think our pizza was like $28, but we both ate, what did we eat, babe? Like 2 pieces?
I had one.
You had only had one?
Yeah.
No, you had two.
No, I didn't.
I saw you. He lying.
How many pieces did you have?
I had two.
Okay, now count the number of pieces in the box.
Anyway.
$1,000 says I only had one and you had two.
All right, so whatever. We both had between 1 and 2 pieces, and honestly, like, we're pretty big eaters, and we're actually completely full. So, final thoughts are: the cheese is amazing, the pizza was fresh, get a whole pie, it's amazingly delicious. I have zero regrets. Overall, I gotta say, I really love this pizza place. Definitely have to recommend Pizzeria on 20th Street in Philadelphia. If you want to see me do other walkthroughs / reviews of other vegan restaurants in any city, let me know in the comments section.
I appreciate you guys coming through. Thanks so much for using the Natural Mama method. I'll see you next time.